I am Dr. Shubhangi Stalder, Mathematics Department at University of Wisconsin-Waukesha. I'm here to bring you information regarding the 4-credit Math 091-105 course. Traditionally, students who place into Math 091 have to take 3 credits of non-degree course one semester of 091, and the following semester they take Math 105, which is our intermediate algebra, for another 3 credits. So total of 6 credits in 2 semesters. We are bringing this course to you in the combined course 4 credits of degree course and 1 semester. We are able to bring you this class in 4 credits by streamlining the material and taking away the content overlap, thereby not cramming 6 credits of material into 4 credits, but making it more efficient. We have turned the class upside down on its head from traditional classroom, and that's why it's the flipped classroom format, which means traditionally, instead of watching lectures in the classroom, now you will be watching lectures at home on YouTube. For every 90-minute class period, you will watch anywhere between 3 to 6, 9 to 15-minute long YouTube lectures that we have prepared for you. This will allow you to come to class prepared. You will also do homework problems, and then the classroom time is used one-on-one with the instructor by doing problems in the classroom and addressing questions that you might have. And so it is not an online course. In fact, it's quite the opposite. You will have more one-on-one time with the instructor. We are presenting the material in modular format, so it's brought to you in smaller pieces that will allow you to retain and digest it more carefully. Also, the exams are untimed, and you have mastery-based approach, which means you keep taking the exams until you have 80% mastery. This takes away anxiety that most students feel in math classroom. Initial results for our class are amazing. My students from last spring, 2012, 86% of them completed both 091, 105 with a grade of C or better, except for 4 students who stopped coming from 4th week of class. Those are the only students who would be considered as failures. Otherwise, everyone at least completed 091 with a grade of C or better. Before I take more of your time, I would like to thank you for giving me the opportunity to talk to you, and I will let now my students talk to you.
My name is Felicia Cooper, and I like this type of learning because we get to watch the videos at home, and if we have any questions, we're prepared to ask them in class versus basically learning the lectures in class and going home having questions. By the time we get to the next class, it's like we're learning new material and we're rushed into it. So yeah, I like this type of learning way better.
Okay, my name is Renee Driscoll. What I like about this class is that you can move at your own pace and rely on what you need so you can go over it.
Hi, my name is Noah Mar Nelson, and I actually very much enjoy this type of learning as opposed to a normal math class because we get to go home and we get to do the video logs on our own, and then we can come to class and they'll answer any questions we have, and we work through it as a group. And the learning is different where we do everything in one bundle that relates to each other, whereas in an actual math class, it's all broken into pieces. In normal math classes, my grade was like around a C+ to a B-, and I really struggled. But in this type of class, I'm around an A or a B+, and I think it's a big improvement.
Hi, my name is Rebecca Weidenbach, and I really liked the way the class was laid out in terms of I felt like I really learned, and we spent time on material for longer time than I had been used to, and I really was able to learn and grasp concepts, and it really helped me to, in 110, I was able to remember what I learned and know how everything worked, and it's just been helping me a lot. If I didn't have that class, I'd probably be struggling a lot more than I am now, so I'm thankful that I took that class.
Yeah. Hi, I'm Andrew Inouye, and I really like the experience that I had. I'm done with this 091 105 course, but it really was foundational. That helped me kind of put the pieces that I've learned in high school together. I wasn't really good at math in high school. I could do little individual problems, but I didn't get like the overall sense of this is how it works actually. So it was very foundational, and it really prepared me for 110. My instructor thought I was well equipped to do most of the algebra stuff that was included. So
my name is Allison, and I took the Math 1091 and 105 class in the fall of 2011, and I took Math 110 in the spring of 2012. And I really enjoyed the 091 and 105 class because it combined two classes into one, which I think really helped. I liked doing the video logs at home because then I could do it at my own pace, and then if I had questions I could just bring them to class instead of doing it in class, the lecture, and then going home realizing I didn't understand everything and then having to come back at a different time to ask questions. So I really liked that. I also learned a lot in this class, a lot of the basics. Some of the stuff I already knew, but I didn't know why I did it. And so I felt like I learned a lot about that in this class, and so that really helped me to succeed not only in this class but in 110. I also liked doing the ALEX because it was on your own learning, and I really liked doing it because ALEX makes you have to remember everything, and so all the tests are cumulative, which kind of makes you have to go back and do stuff again. And so taking that in the 091 105 class and taking ALEX in 110, I really enjoyed because I think I learned more and I remembered more, and so I think that will help me overall as I do math in the future.